Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the Lava Plus app and try it out with my Lava Genie guitar. As you can see, there is a plus button on the top right where you can add new devices. I already have my Lava Genie guitar connected to the app, but right now it's disconnected because the guitar is turned off. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It will take a moment to connect. Now it's connected. You can just tap the connect and voila. Now we are on the main screen of the app. There are several sections here. The first section is my presets where you can switch between different presets. For example, there is a modern electric R&B, and many others depending on your taste. You can select any of them. I'm gonna try one of them so you can hear how it sounds. Let's go with the Swifty. In the preset library, you can customize and save your own presets. It's a full library where you can search and explore all kinds of tones. Next up is the key section where you can adjust the key of your guitar. By default, it's C, but you can change it to anything you like. On the left side, there is a BPM setting for the drum machine. Let me start the drum machine and show you what happens when you adjust the BPM. Now moving to the fretboard section, there are two layouts, 7 block and 21 block. You can customize this depending on your needs. On the top right corner, there is a view button where you can switch between different views. In each mode, you can assign different chords to each block, which gives you a lot of flexibility to build your own fingerboard setup. You can rename them, delete them, or create new ones easily. Next is the TapPad section. It has 5 main buttons and you can assign different patterns or techniques to each of them. You can just drag and drop your combinations easily. Now moving on to the key lock section. This allows you to lock or unlock the guitar key. I recommend keeping it locked. There is also an auto bass feature that works together with the drum machine, which gives you a nice rhythmic accompaniment. Let's hear it together. Next is the length section, where you can set how long each tap pad sound lasts, 2 beats or 4 beats. Depending on your track, you can set it up. You can also switch between one-hand mode or two-hand mode here. Then we have a sound settings. This is a big one. It lets you enable or disable features like string scratching sounds, built-in speaker, and other audio parameters depending on your projects. The lighting section lets you adjust the brightness of your guitar. You can select either bright or less bright, depending on your preferences. On the user guide, you can find the documentation about how to work with this guitar. In the chord chart guide, there are a bunch of videos about how to use this guitar as well. At the bottom, there are several tabs. Lava Plus, the screen where you can search for your favorite artist and their songs to learn how to play the tracks. A very good resources for beginners and people who wants to work on their vocals and be professional with their guitar. For some of the songs here, you have to have subscription, which is 3 months free and then $4 per month. To me, is expensive. Next tab is Tools, where you can create your own chord chart and manage it. Another tab is Discover, like a social feed similar to Facebook, where user can post and share content. And the last tab is Me, which is your personal dashboard. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of the Lava Plus app. I'll see you in the next one.